Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. This stunning and opulent mansion belongs to Billie Eilish. Spanning on 0.5 acres piece of land in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles, California, it boasts of 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It costed a whopping $6.6 million to fully secure and own it. It features a soundproof movie theater outfitted with a 4K projector and Bowers & Wilkins speakers, along with a fireside family room that connects to a gourmet kitchen with a massive stainless island and eat-in peninsula and high-end Miele appliances. There's also a step-down living room boasting a brick fireplace, dining area with floor-to-ceiling sliders flowing outdoors, and an ensuite bedroom. 3 additional ensuite bedrooms are found atop the curving staircase, including a master retreat that comes equipped with a separate sitting room/office with fireplace, walk-in closet, and dual balconies. A luxe bath has a marble-clad area hosting a square soaking tub and large glass-encased shower. The lawn is well maintained with a cool breeze from the surrounding trees. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!